The bench press isn't just a test of strength, it's one of the most iconic lifts in the gym. But if you want to move serious weight, you can't just show up and push the bar. Real progress requires a science-based approach that blends training, technique, recovery, and nutrition. In this video, we'll dive into proven, research-backed strategies to increase your bench press strength. From short-term neural gains to long-term muscle growth, and from periodized training plans to recovery and nutrition. In the short term, say the first couple months, most of your strength gains come from neuromuscular improvements. Your nervous system learns to recruit more muscle fibers, your coordination improves, and your technique gets sharper. That's why beginners often see fast strength gains before they even add noticeable muscle mass. But over the long term, continued progress depends on hypertrophy, building bigger muscles, along with advanced neural adaptations. Once those beginner gains plateau, progressive overload and structured training cycles are key. Training the bench more than once a week is proven to be more effective. Research shows 2-4 sessions per week tends to produce the best results. Advanced lifters sometimes bench 4 or 5 times a week, but recovery must be carefully managed. Volume means total sets and reps. Multiple sets beat single set training every time. Beginners can start with 5-8 sets per week, intermediates with 10-15, and advanced lifters with up to 20, as long as recovery is sufficient. Heavy loads, 1 to 5 reps at 80-95% of your max, are the foundation of strength. That's what trains your nervous system and high-threshold muscle fibers. But don't skip moderate rep accessory work, like 6-12 reps, to build muscle size. The flat barbell bench is irreplaceable for specificity, but variations like incline or close grip bench, dumbbell presses, dips and overhead presses all target weak points in supporting muscles. Don't neglect your back either. Rows, pull-ups and rear delt work build stability for a stronger bench foundation. Small technique tweaks can instantly add pounds to your lift. Retract and depress your shoulder blades to create a stable base. Use a moderate arch to raise your chest and shorten bar path. Plant your feet and drive with your legs. Yes, the bench press uses leg drive. Grip width should keep forearms vertical at the bottom, with elbows at about a 45-degree angle. Follow a J-shaped bar path down to the lower chest, then press back over your shoulders, and control the bar with pauses rather than bouncing it. Master these cues and you'll not only lift more weight but also reduce injury risk. Strength gains don't happen forever on a straight line. Progressive overload is key, gradually increasing weight, reps, or sets over time. But to avoid plateaus, research shows periodization works best. That means cycling training variables in planned phases. Novices can use simple linear progression. Add small amounts of weight each session. Intermediates benefit from linear periodization, weeks of higher rep hypertrophy work, then heavier strength phases. Advanced lifters often use daily undulating periodization. Heavy days, light days, and medium days in the same week. No matter your level, plan deload weeks every 4-8 weeks to recover and avoid burnout. Training sets the stage, but nutrition fuels the gains. Eat enough calories, at least maintenance, ideally a slight surplus, to recover and grow. Protein is non-negotiable, 1.6–2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. Carbohydrates fuel heavy lifting. Don't skimp on whole grains, fruits, and starchy vegetables. Healthy fats support hormones, so include sources like fish, nuts, and olive oil. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration reduces strength output. Supplements aren't magic, but some are proven to help. Creatine monohydrate, the most researched strength booster, increasing gains by 5–15%. Protein powders, convenient for hitting your daily protein goal. Caffeine, boosts focus and short-term strength when taken pre-workout. Others like beta-alanine or omega-3s can help at the margins, but creatine, protein, and caffeine are the big three. Strength is built during recovery, not just training. Prioritize 7–9 hours of sleep each night, 48–72 hours between heavy bench sessions, 3–5 minutes rest between heavy sets, warm-ups, mobility work, and rotator cuff training for joint health. Auto-regulation. Adjust loads if you're overly fatigued or sore. Smart recovery keeps you progressing and helps prevent injuries that could derail months of work. A bigger bench press doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of intelligent, evidence-based training combined with proper technique, good nutrition, and full recovery. Bench consistently 2–4 times per week, train heavy with smart accessory work, periodize your training, fuel your body with protein and carbs, recover like a pro, and you'll keep setting new personal records. Train smart, Eat well, recover fully, and the science says your bench press will keep climbing. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your current bench press PR in the comments below. Let's build a stronger community together.